In this video, I will show you how you can set up FaceTime on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the FaceTime app. Then tap on it, and from here, just enable the toggle for FaceTime. As you can see, if the toggle of FaceTime is disabled, just enable it from here. Now sometimes when you open the settings of FaceTime, it might ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID, but after you do that, you will arrive on this page. Now after you enable the toggle for FaceTime, then just scroll down, and under You Can Be Reached by FaceTime app, just select your Apple ID or your phone number over here. As you can see, I have already selected my Apple ID. Now after you've done that, now to use FaceTime, just go to your home screen and open FaceTime. Now it might ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID, but after you do that, you will arrive on this page. Now to do a FaceTime video call, just tap on New over here. Now in this section, you can either search the contacts which you want to call by their Apple ID, name, or phone number. For an example, if I enter the Apple ID of a specific contact, it will be shown right here. If I search the contact by name, it will also appear over here. Now after you search the contact which you want to call, just select it. Then just tap on FaceTime over here, and you will do a FaceTime video call. Just like that. And this is how you can set up FaceTime on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.